Jesus, please just sing it slow. How do these two get on KIG86?
During potentially dangerous weather situations, special receivers can be on Tuesday.
How the heck?
Receivers' performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following. Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG86's Columbus, Ohio. It was 45 degrees under partly sunny skies. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio.
Well, thank God I looked at the version 5. No. Where the heck is KIG86? Why? 3 these two. 3. Finally! You're 5 minutes late.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette, Hocking, Jackson, Pickaway, Pike, Ross, and Vinton. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KGY, 60 in Chillicothe, Ohio. This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio.
Well, that's the weekly test for this week. There's still 2 more coming up. One of them is the statewide tornado, but here's the roundup of this. The Bearcat went off, even though I went for KIG86. WR120 went off. These two are freaking loud. 12-250 went off. Same with the version 5. The Accurite didn't go off because, well, I only have it go off for the statewide tornado drill. 12-249 went off. And a 12-259 went off. So that was pretty much a perfect. Yay.